Hi everyone, today let's explore the early and colonial history of Malaysia. Long before modern borders, this land was home to powerful Malay kingdoms, most notably the Srivijaya Empire and later the Malacca Sultanate, which flourished on the busy spice trade linking India, China and the Arab world. Malacca grew into a thriving international port where cultures and ideas met. In 1511, the Portuguese captured it to control the spice route, introducing European influence for the first time. The Dutch replaced them in 1641, strengthening trade control, but in the late 1700s the British arrived, establishing the Straits settlements, including Penang, Malacca and Singapore. They built ports, railways and plantations, reshaping the economy and society. These centuries of trade and colonization left a rich blend of cultures, languages and architecture that still define Malaysia today. In Part 2, we'll journey toward independence. Please subscribe for more world history stories.